Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change password on Facebook. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your Facebook app and then select on the bottom right hand corner three line. Simply select it and then select on the top right hand corner settings gear. And right now select see more in account center. Right now there have an option password and security. Simply select it. And right now you can find the option change password. Simply select it and here you can see this is your profile. Simply select it and right now you can find the option for current password and then you just need to type new password and type new password again. So if you do this, then there have an option change password. Simply select it and change your password. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.